Hey guys, welcome to DeftDesigner. I'm Subham, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you could create this Christmas tree. So start by taking a new page, click on new, and I'm choosing this web page 1280 to 1024 in page size, and after that select the rectangular tool to make a background. So here I'm going to fill a light blue background, so simply drag from the corner to create a background, and I am turning off the outline and choose the color of your choice. So here I am choosing this light blue color like this. After that simply press Ctrl 2 to lock the background. So I am just making it more lighter and press Ctrl 2 to lock the background in its place. And after that you have to choose this Polygon tool and click once so that this option appears, and make sure the size is 3 to create a rectangle like this. And after creating a triangle, creating a triangle, choose the color. Finally I'm going to fill a gradient in this, so I'm just using simply a green color like this. And for making the snow effect on this triangle tree, you have to simply make sure you have to select the white color and choose the pen tool. Press P on the keyboard to choose the pen tool, and after that you have to click on the one side of the triangle and use the pen tool like this to create a snow effect on the tree. On reaching the end, simply click like this, click on the corners on the edge of the triangle and reach from this where you had begun and click once, and this is the snow effect on this. After that you can simply right click and group it if you want, and you can easily round the corners using the direct selection tool like this. So as you can see, the snow part is not rounded, so press the direct selection tool, click once and drag these dots to make the corners rounded. Make sure the tree and the snow is aligned to each other like this. As you can see, it is not aligned. So what I am going to do is again decreasing the roundness of this, and I'm making aligned with the snow so that it's perfectly aligned with the snow. So as you can see, the one part of tree is created. Now press right click and group it. Now after that press Alt on the keyboard and you have to drag it to make a duplicate of it. So before that I am going to change the color. So press the gradient tool and choose the gradient and adjust, and after that you have to simply click on one of the gradient and choose the color. So here double click on it and I am choosing the green color. To add one more gradient, simply you have to click once and you could able to add one more gradient. So adjust the color, so and after that you have to simply click once, add one more gradient and adjust the slider to create the color of your choice, as you can see. So you have to simply use the gradient to make the color, use the sliders to increase or decrease the value of the color, and make the add gradients as per your choice. So after making the gradient, and your tree will look like this. So what you have to do is simply I am going to copy it, press Alt and drag it like this to make a duplicate of it. Now again press Alt and drag with the mouse. Notice that the cursor has been changed while you press Alt key. So and now you could press Ctrl and bracket keys to move backward and forward the triangles like this. So press Ctrl and left bracket key. If you press Ctrl, Shift and bracket key, the object will completely move backward or front. So you have to make something like this. So as you can see, the tree is created. Now I'm going to create the balls. For that you have to select the circle tool from the toolbar and press shift and alt key and drag it to create a perfect circle like this, and choose the color of your choice. So here I'm choosing this red color, and now I'm going to fill gradient in it. So choose this radical gradient and double click one of its gradient and choose the red color, and now you can use this to adjust the gradient where you want lighter or darker shades. So if you drag it like this, you could increase or decrease the size and use the cursors to adjust the gradient. So I am again going to make it darker on the end so that it gives a shadow effect, as you can see. And for this I am going to create something lighter effect. Double click on it and adjust the slider as per your choice, and again I am going to add one more gradient and choosing some lighter effect. So if you're happy with this color, move forward, and after that you could simply press shift and alt key and drag with the corners to adjust the size without modifying its shape. So position it where you want to place it with the help of mouse while holding the shift and alt key, and drag the corners to resize it like this. And after that you have to simply position it. So here I'm positioning right here, and I'm going to make the string of this ball. For that I'm going to turning off the fill color, and I'm choosing this pencil tool. After choosing the pencil tool, choose the stroke. So after choosing the stroke, simply create a string like this. So I think it will be more thinner, 1 point is enough, and use the control and bracket keys to move backward the string of the behind the tree and the ball. Simply select all and make group of it. Now I'm going to duplicate it, press alt and drag it and make the duplicates, and position the balls where you want to place it on the trees like this. So after decorating the trees with the balls, now I'm going to make a star. You can select the star from the toolbar, as you can see, and drag it, and now I'm going to fill a gradient in it. So simply I am turning off the outline and select it, click on the gradient, choose the gradient tool first, and after that I am going to make it a yellow color. So simply you have to double click and choose the color of your choice. So here I am choosing this yellow color, and as earlier you have to make the color of your choice. So like this you have to you could adjust the slider to make the color more value darker or lighter, as you can see. So after filling the color in the star, press shift and alt key and adjust the corners to adjust the size and rotate it and put it in top of the tree. Press control and bracket keys to move the backward the star. Now simply press alt and drag it to simply make the duplicate of it, and use the bracket keys to move back or front the star, and use the alt and drag the mouse like this to decorate the tree as per your choice. As you can see, I had placed the star in various places while in various size and in various directions. So after that it's time to create the trunk of the tree, and for that I'm choosing the rectangular tool and this brown color, and you have to simply choose the rectangular tool and drag to create a rectangle. Now again I'm going to fill a gradient effect, give a gradient effect in this trunk. So similarly you have to, after creating this triangle, choose the gradient and simply make the gradient as per your choice. So as you can see, the trunk of the tree is ready. Now it's time to make a shadow, give a shadow effect. For before that, simply select all and group and click on this align and simply align it vertically and horizontally like this, so that it's in the middle of the center of the page. And now select the ellipse tool, choose the black color and drag it to create something shape like this, to create a shadow effect, and position it in the between. Go to effects, then you have to go to blur and choose the Gaussian blur, and you could see, click the preview to see which suits well. Adjust the radius and decrease the opacity to around 10%. As you can see, you could adjust the opacity as per your choice. And now use the bracket keys to move backward the shadow behind the trunk. And now as you can see, the tree is ready. So if you find this video helpful, friends, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel now, as more exciting videos coming up. And do check my other videos also. So goodbye and take care.